Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hot. My name is Simon, and today unfortunately we're going to be opening yet another box for Cardfight Vanguard. It's a filler. Nobody likes filler episodes, but well, that's what it is. And we're gonna be opening a box of Awakening of Chakrabarthi, which was, if memory recalls, and I mean it literally says on the box, the fourth set to be released for the Overdress reboot. And we have sleeves. Not a lot, but that's always cool, I think, if we do it. Very old promotional material. Some of the stuff is still around. It's also very finicky. Yeah. Let's get to cracking. There's a few chase things in the set, mainly the SSR rarity cards. But yeah, one per case, actually, not per box, if I recall correctly. And we're starting off with a triple rare, a Vairina names Esperadia. Yes, very good, Simon. Use laughter to mask the fact that you're very good at pronouncing names. We have, of course, the very. It's looking really cheap. Foiling for the rares. And then we have a Gravidia Shergo, double rare. Almost looks like some of those fake Yu-Gi-Oh cards back in the day. That's what the rare foiling looks like. A little bit. And we have an Armor Piercing Knight Mugain, also double rare. And on to the next one. The reason we're opening another one of 4 Cardfight Vanguard, because what I wanted to open has not yet arrived. Sadness. We have a Sea Breeze Abduction and an Aurora Battle Princess Taser Lage. Just holo. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get a Soul, Repose, Pixie, Petronella. And that's already our big pull. Our SR. Look at it. It has like a little bit of a texture to it. Yeah, you should be able to see it, hopefully. Moving along, we have our rares, and then a holo Strong Sharp Dragon Gaze Fort. Lots of shiny here. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. Of course, a regular rare. And then a double rare Twin Bullet of Duststorm Travis. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. I mean, for those complaining about Yu-Gi-Oh having a lot of text on the tiny cards, there are some cards in Cardfight Vanguard which have a lot of text. We have a Diabolos Jetta Wade, holo. And last pack for the right side. We get a Clipping Dragon of Soul Revelation, double rare. Looking cool. Undead dragons are the best dragons. change my mind. On to the next pack. Can see shiny. But first, the regular rare. We have a recurring magic Lalarita. And on to the next one we go. I can already see shiny. And we get a Silver-Horned Beast Emperor Magnolia Elder. Triple rare. On to the next one. Where we have a Heavenly Arrow of Sure Hit Sparare. In double rare. And on to the next one we go. Stone Dragon, Geisford. And a Cardinal Draco Mashoria. Triple rare. Very shiny, very nice design. Lots of gray. It's really nicely distributed, the foiling effect. I wonder if that's like a separate job. Designing foils. You get all the done images and just design how the foils look. That would probably be a very cool job. A Injection Angel in holo. We still have 3 packs left to go. No, we didn't want to have you yet. So sticky. Still. A Cutting Sword Dance. Quegra. Double rare. 2 packs left to go. Let's see what we get. Oh, I can see something very shiny. I see a Hellblast Full Dive. It's another SR actually. Very nice. Look at the texture. Very cool. And down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. Gear Eagle of Southern Banks. A reverse coil Knight Nuada. And a Walls Melt in the Sound of Rain. Holo. And that's it. So hopefully by the next video new content has arrived. Otherwise I have to do another filler. Let's see. So this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.